don't feel too good. Excuse you, Emily. Oh, sorry. So, that's your main weakness? Yes. Oh, sugar, that was even stupid and that time you photocopied your bottom, you know. Yeah, that was so ridiculous. Yeah. Oh. I wonder what's been going on. Oh, that was... Emily Reality's burping. Oh dear. Yes, very oh dear indeed. Oh. Hello. What are you doing up there? Oh, we overheard what you just said. Yeah. Anyways. I'm off to find Snow Arctic Jill. And in the meantime, Dr. Good, can you take Emily away, please? Sure I can. Hi, Snow Arctic Jill. Oh, hello, FireLavaOven. Just to say that I've got a new mission for you. Yeah, but there's something... Never mind that. It's just that we've discovered that Flyer Beast is on the loose. First Splitter Beast, then Jaw Beast, now Flyer Beast. What kind of a blighter would Flyer Beasts do to... never mind. Anyways, I better get going. Yeah, good idea. Yeah. Oh, hello. Didn't expect to see you here. Huh. Yeah. It's a good thing you took me to know what the word power Unimind was. Yeah. And it's the power to be connected with all things and no essences. Am I right? Yes. Yes, you are. Anyway, you better get going. Ooh. Now that was a major shocker. For the record. Oh. So, you've been sick all this time, Emily? Yes. Oh, excuse you. Yeah. Yeah. Gotta find a way to cure you. In the meantime, FireLavaOven will go and find Krabs and Son. Here I am. Oh, hello. What are you doing back here? Oh, I get it. You've travelled backwards in time, and viewed the past. Yeah. Oh. Last time you did that, you actually had to go with Scott Plasma to find a power Unimind. Yeah. Oh. So that's what happened. Yeah, I kinda know what happened the other day. You really do? Yeah. Oh, I see what you mean.